CoSpaces Edu tutorial, How to Get a Dog to Wag Its Tail by Keani. First off, you go to the library icon. After that, you should be here after tapping the library icon, and it'll give you this scale of people. Then you want to tap on animals right there. Now it should have taken you to this row. And now what you want to do is find the dog in the third row, and you want to drag it out anywhere into your setting. So now that you have dragged your dog to the setting, he should be out wherever you dragged him. And now you should double tap anywhere in the box of the dog. After you have double tapped the dog, it should look like this, and this whole thing should come up. And now you're going to try tap animation, and you have to make sure it's on neutral. So this is the animation logo, and you're going to tap on that, and a bar is going to come up, and it's going to look like this. Now you've pressed animation, you have this whole bar to go through, and you have to make sure it is on neutral. And if it's on, for example, sleeping, you just have to tap neutral and it will go to neutral. After that, you're going to press the play button right up here. This is what it should look like. Thank you for learning about CoSpaces Edu. Visit bit.ly/G3 Coast Tutorials for more videos.